Once for twice, once for rare, twice for medium, 3 times for well. Okay. You can have 2 and you will like it. You can have 2 and you will like it. Okay. Not L. Okay. There you go. So what would you like? A pink and a brown. Which is medium well? Oh, I can't tell if that's the right... It looks right. Yeah, it looks right. Give me that. There you go. Congrats. You've got your meat. Enjoy your meat. Like, you're super well done. That's an interesting choice. Can't say I approve of the choice, but you know, it's not really my business to, or place to approve. So it doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna assume they don't care about dirty dishes at all. Because I don't care about dirty dishes at all, to BH. Can I put more than one dish in at a time? No, I cannot. What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? You want a rare and you want a super not rare. Got it. Oh my god, I'm dirty. I'm dirty. It's fine though. It's fine. Yeah. Y'all are so messy. What the hell? What part of eating steak gets you this buttery? Okay, what do we got? What do we got? Research desk, that's not bad. Dining table, that's not bad. Plates, I don't know that I need more plates right now. Bin, I don't need more bin. Another sink, that's not very useful right now, but I will take... I'm broke! I forget I'm broke! Sure. We'll get some plates. I wanted to put it there. There we go. That's a lot of plates. Okay. Maybe this is a good thing. We got tons of plates. Yeah. Can't really do anything else. Not L. K. Maybe I should have gotten another table? But it's fine. Just grab that. What y'all want? What y'all hankering for? Ooh, exactly what I had cooked. Here you are, good sirs. Oops, sorry, I'm in your way, aren't I? That's cute. Cook some steaks. Yep, you both want medium rare. Or actually, that's just rare. You just want rare. And then we grab this one. Just plop that there. We'll do this. There we go. Nice and easy peasy. Can't throw that in the garbage, but that's fine. Oh my god, math. Yeah, it's unprompted. I needed a break from studying, so random stream of game that I have not played before. but we're making steak. And we're giving steak- I put a plate on the oven, that doesn't feel safe. The poor porcelain. And I need to take this to there, this to there, and then he can go in. Who cares, I'm out of counter space. Can wash. He can wait. There's nobody else. Yeah. So here I am trying something new. Why not? Steak, yeah. I don't think I'm gonna be very good at this game, but I'm gonna try my best. And I think that's what matters. I think he wants super cooked. Yeah. Again, with the plate on the hob, that's just... It's poor taste, poor etiquette. Oh, I should have put the research desk right there. That's a fallacy on my part. That's my bad. I just got an achievement that says complete a day with mess on at least 10 tiles, because I ain't cleaning up after these people. They know what they are. Research desk, that's what we want. Counter, another counter would be nice. I wish I could reach through here, but that seems impractical. But we want a research desk. How do I... put it here, I guess? Thank you, Weeples. I just think it's... everybody who is first starting at a game should be bad at it, and if you're not bad at a game you've never played before, then I don't trust you. That's a lie, but like... come on. Put that in there. And that was fine how it was. I can't afford anything else, I'm broke. Oh dear. Well, anyway, you know what that means. We make steak. Yeah, I've seen Doug play this a bajillion times, which is why I wanted to play it, of course, because he gets so automated in it late game and it looks like so much fun. And that's really it. It just looks like fun. Okay, there's safety hob for next time so I can just stick my steak on it and leave it. Should be nice. Another steak. Take that off. What you want? What you want? You both want medium. Got it, got it. I can do medium. That's so reasonable. Here's one, and I should have made my chef not red to start with, but you know what? We vibe, we ball. You want a rare? That's easy enough. Try to get rid of some of these. Again, put that straight on the hob. That feels unsanitary, but again, not my business, I guess. Come in, take a seat, take a seat, take a seat. You put steak on the hob, steak on the hob. I hope one of you wants it rare. Nope. Oopsie. Put this back. Okay. Put this on there. Grab another steak. Put it on there. Oops, now we need you out. And come on, one more, one more. You got this? Yeah. Nope, I left it on the grill. I'm so smart. SMRT. Here you go. Here's your other order. There you go. Hope you're satisfied. If you're not, then don't leave a bad review on Yelp. Or do. It doesn't really matter. But also don't because you like small businesses and you came for my steak. Yep. Oh, I got a star. Cool. My rating increased. Okay. Cool. customers shortly before closing. Bone-in steaks. SMRT. Yet indeed. I'd make more money. Bone must be thrown away after, though, and then I have to take care of the trash. I don't really want to do that. I don't. So I'll do more customers. A dinner rush. We'll have a dinner rush. Sink. Hob. Oven. Well, I don't think I need an oven. Oops. I would like this safety hob, though. I can't afford this safety hob. I put it back in the thing. I'll get it later. Counter. I probably want another dining table, actually. I'll just put that here. 3? No. We do 2 max. We are not animals here. Okay. Yes, you can get an order of food. Would you like a steak? Because you get a steak. That's all I serve here. Do you want steak? If you don't want steak, then I'm kicking you out of my restaurant. We're a steak-only facility. So I hope you like steak. You're getting a steak. You're welcome. Here you go. I need money. You both want rare. That's beautiful. Spin in place. Yep. Of course. Anybody can have a steak. There are 3 types of cook and that is it. I think my kitchen does not follow code, but I don't think it matters. Danger hob. Oops, I made my safety hob a danger hob, which is in fact not what I wanted, but sometimes research yields unlucky results. What do you want? Medium? I can do medium. That's so reasonable. That's such a good cut of steak. Oops, I left it on the hob again. Oops. Here you go. You know what? I can reach over that counter. I should make use of that. I have been fumbling by not doing that. There is exclamation point visit, but I don't think I have Twitch integration on because I just opened the game today for the first time. Nope. No, wait. Crap. Not in the sink. I burnt it! Ruh-roh, Raggy! We need it double cooked. I will figure out how to turn on Twitch integration eventually. I'm sure it's like one button that I gotta push. Or maybe it's an extension I have to authorize? I don't know. What do you want? Ooh, the easiest ones. Hell yeah. I don't have it on. Schmeg. What part of that? Crap. No. No. Shit. Oh my god, my kitchen is not up to code. It's bad. So stressful. It might be one. It might literally be one lever to flip. I don't know. You take that. Give me that. You take that. What do you want? You want, okay. I will try not to be too judgmental of what you want. That's a lie. I'm gonna be very judgmental. Oops, that's not cooked enough. I will check after the steak. And then you can see your little name coming to get steak. Okay, my restaurant's a mess, but we're gonna ignore that. Doesn't matter anyway. $57? I don't even want to use a danger hob because the danger hob is kind of booty, I'm not gonna lie. Let me check. Options. Server integration? Probably is what this is. Hey. This isn't McDonald's. I'm allowed to not do cleaning. I'm allowed to clean jack all. I don't know, I'll figure out how to turn it on for next time, because I will be playing this again. This is... I want to get OT 15, overtime 15 for all of them. And we should do some rearranging here. Just put that there for now. Put this, we do not want 4. We want this to be a 2 max. Yes. Who doesn't want steak? That's a good question. I've never met any rational person who doesn't want steak. Sorry, Hop, we don't need you right now. Counter. We want another counter. This danger hob. That's bad. We don't want that. Another sink. Probably wouldn't be too terrible. What's a specials menu? Oh, tomato is ass. That's a good thing to hate. Okay, we'll get a new safety hob and then we won't upgrade it this second time. Put our steak. That's fine. Put that there. Put that there. Put that there. Hi, Lottie! How's it going? We can put that there. I don't think this matters where it is. Put that there. I guess we could move these too. So there's like the hob in the corner, the plate, the hob. Could be cheeky. Wow, full name. He must have done something wrong. Alright. Remember exclamation point to visit. We steak. Let's see if the Twitch integration works or if my tech brain is bad. Oh my god, look at you guys there. I wonder what steak you ordered. We'll find out. But if you would like to visit my restaurant... Oh my god, they gave me another danger hub! What the hell? Exclamation point, just psychological... Is that the Project Isekai one? I respect both of your steak choices. That's very reasonable. There you go, there's your steaks. Lottie, I don't know if your steak choice will be as reasonable, but I hope it is. Math, is that the same one that's brutal? The brutal fic? Psychological thriller? I tend to order medium rare because I like the pink in it. What you want, Lottie? You want interesting choice. I will choose to respect it. Even if reality contradicts. You can have that one, and then your compatriot can have this rare one, which I will not order because too much. I thought that was supposed to be like a cute, froofy romance. I was worried about them because they're right there, so I can just go ahead and do that. And you need double cooked? Perfect timing. There you go. Let me clear this table for them. Maybe we clear this table for them. We'll just put that there. Sure, that's fine. We're definitely not just throwing steak everywhere. You want this steak and... uh-oh. I got out of the rhythm. I spent so much time fixing it that I'm gonna lose. Oopsie. Oh well. Maybe I need to get... It's possible that I need to get more tables in the future. Oh, I'm boned. Here, hold this. I'm not boned. It's fine, actually. Here, hold this, would you? I mean, I will politely yet firmly tell them nothing because they haven't technically done anything wrong. Shit, hold this, please. You want 2 steaks? That can be arranged. There's so much dirt everywhere. My restaurant is so not up to code. Why do you guys eat here? And then you need to be burnt. Okay. Yo. It's so dirty. What the hell? You know it's bad when I can't even walk on it. Good God. Oops. Crap. Crap, I did it again. I don't like how I laid this out. I need to fix this. This is quite bad. Crap, I did it again. God damn it. Alright. I'm out of garbage space. Here, hold that. Aw, that's so nice. I would comp your meals. Math, don't cry at me. I'm not good at this. It's fine, though. It's fine. It's fine. It's just that my restaurant's gonna get shut down by the FDA. It's fine. It's fine. See, it's fine. No, like, it's fine. My trash can is full. Happens so many times my trash can is full. Amount of dishes for real. Steak has the slightest... No, steaks have good pink. Or good steaks have pink. Good steaks are pink. So it makes sense. Okay. Exclusive, focus on making customers happy even to get inside your restaurant, or focus on high standards? It's just a business after all. Well, I'm messy as hell, so... What we got here? What's going on over here? Classical globe. don't know what these are. Oh. Okay. 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 Level 1 yeah, you're fine. FDA won't go after you because you're not selling medicine. I do not know that lore. I would love to know that lore. We'll just put that there. That's fine. Classical globe. Ambiance. I don't really care about ambiance. Oh, wait. What about this one? Ooh. That could be cool. It could be kind of cool. Cool. Put that there. Yeah. That could be pretty neat. Alright, what we got for envelopes? I guess we're yellow now. None of these really help me at all. Oh, I'm not packaging food, so it's fine. Double think time and patience? How much money do I have? 153? I mean... I will take a calm painting then. Precious flower? We could have a precious flower. Could be cute. Put that by the doorway. Makes people feel nice, you know? What is this, a danger hub? Oh, want that. That's booty. Yeah, you should go deeper into it later. I can't make this any better, really. Can put it here, though. And get rid of that chair. That doesn't really matter, I guess. Let's do a reroll to see if there's anything we can save. Plant, painting, candelabra. Oh, damn, it's just a shitty decoration day. Highly flammable. Plant. Oh. Maybe we can upgrade that. We can see how that goes. Okay, anyway, I need to move these plates because they're getting in my way. What I should have... I think if I do like this, that'll be better. Or maybe I should move this to be there and have this so I can go boom, boom, steak, steak, right? Do you see the vision? I hope you see the vision. The vision is there. We have a sink, we have this. Trash can goes in the corner because I'm not an animal. Yeah, okay. I think that works. Oops, I just did not mean to do that. Might be. Pressed the wrong button. Okay. We should be good then with that. We should... Maybe... Oops, did not mean that. I don't need that. This to that. So everything's right in one air. You see the vision? Okay. Okay, cool. Cool. That. And then my fridge is backwards. It looks backwards at least. And then we got a rare. And a rare. It's not researchable. What do you want? You want to fully cooked? Math, Schmeg, what are you guys on? Oopsie. Well, anyway, here's your fully cooked steak with no pink. Bet you joked about it mooing when you got it, huh? Grab one plate, pop that in there. Someone will want this. Not Lottie, but someone. Do this. You took fully cooked. I don't know what to tell you. Yeah. Here you go, Lottie. Grab that. Put that there. What do you want? You want this burnt steak that I burnt by accident. I'm good with that. Yes, take this steak. We'll wash this dish. It has your name on it, man. I don't know what to tell you. Wash this dish, get cooking and cooking. Go take his order. Grab that dish. Put it over here. You want a slightly cooked? I can respect that. That's another slightly cooked. I don't know why I'm saying slightly cooked as though I don't know what they're called. You want a... Okay, so I have a medium for you. I just need a nice little rare for you. That's cute. I can do that. Cook, 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 cook. You should blame the tomatoes in the sandwich. Tomatoes are to blame for the bane of everything. And we have that, and then we can get that person in there. Take your order. You want it rare. Crap. I'm getting stuck on the fudging door. I wish I could remove the door. That would be so sick if I could remove the door. You want that. There you go, eat up. Crap! I'm throwing, I'm gonna throw. Wait. Grab that. Okay, it's fine actually. We grab that and then you're taken care of. It's fine actually. And then I do that, and then I do that. Didn't mean to do that. That's useless. Whatever. Blame tomatoes. Yep, always blame tomatoes. Hashtag. For real. I think this is what you want. This looks like what you want. I'm getting stuck on the dirt. On the door! On the fudging door! What do you want? Oh, I have that for you already. That's convenient. Now you just want some medium cooked? Medium rare? Medium? Rare. Okay. This one. You want this one? I don't like this seed either. I don't like the door. Honestly, if there wasn't the door here, I'd be fine, I think. Okay. That's cool, that's cool. My rating increased. I'm now a 2-star restaurant. I can't believe they looked at this disaster and like, you know what, we're gonna give her another star. Hell yeah. Okay. What are the card options? Customer patience is hidden or tomato soup as a starter? I feel like I should have this as a poll, but I don't know which one is worse, to be honest. I really couldn't tell you. So, Schmeger math, left or right? I would love to break the door. Either one of you, left or right. I don't know which is good or bad. They're both kind of bad. But here we... Like Teddy to your Bob visiting my restaurant every day. Aww, thanks. Thanks. Minus 15% customers could be good. Add onion and water to a pot and boil to make broth. Add tomato and tomato sauce. Left. Okay. We'll go tomato soup then. Keep forgetting you're on a delay. Okay, these are the stuff we need. Okay, our kitchen just got more crowded. Dining table. I can't even... Bin. Sharp cutlery. Have customers eat faster. I don't care if they eat faster. Okay, I think I need to move this over 1. Not 3. And this can't be in the door. Again, not 3. I don't use that door, that doesn't matter. We need... Okay, so we need a soup station. Pots. There ain't enough room in this kitchen for all this. I'm not gonna lie. This is gonna get really... No, I mean, this is great. This is great. Put the onions here. I don't know what I have in my hand. We need a hob over there. I wish I had a safety hob. That would be so much better. Put that there, I guess. We'll put the soup on that. I only have 1 steak at a time. No, the brown chairs are, the chairs that are not being used. So, like, I could activate them and turn them green, but they're not being used right now. And this door, I don't care about that door. I don't do anything over there. It doesn't matter. This is not a great setup. I will grant you that. Believe you me, I know. Okay, we'll get another dining table. Put it right by the door. I don't think it matters that it's here, but I would like that chair to not be here. Turn into a full-on minute! Oh wow, yeah, I've dropped a lot of frames to the stream. That's crazy. I have no idea why it's on such bad delay. I do not know. It might be my Wi-Fi, to BH. Because there may or may not be another storm going on, but... It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I guess we want to keep that for now. It doesn't really matter where it is. I don't need the sharp cutlery. Should I get another sink? Can I get a better sink? Is that possible? This increases patience, so I think I should put that on. This is a really poorly laid out restaurant. I don't like this layout. I'll be for realsies with you. Okay, we can have the soup. We can have the pot. We need access to that, but if we move this over, we should be able to access that like that. Yep, okay. Sounds good. We need this to not be green. Sink we will put in there for now. As long as I don't connect my laptop to the hallway to play later tonight, it's all good. No, not that kind of storm. Just rain. Just rain. Not tornado, just rain. Also, I don't play during tornado. I go and watch tornado from my windowed room. Counter. Well, I need another counter. I probably will need another counter, but I don't have storage for another counter. Oh, wait, actually. Counter there. Go here. Okay. Okay. This can be done. I put the onion in the pot. I wasn't supposed to do that. How do we... Do I need to put this in first and then add onions? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hang on. Hang on, hang on. I don't care about steak. Add onion and water to pot and boil to make broth. Oh, onion and... Oh, God. Oh god. Oh god. Okay. Water. Onion. I don't think I was supposed to... You want soup? Of course you want soup, you hussy. Oh no. Uh... Uh... This might be a throne run. Hi Kelly, how's it going? I think I did this wrong. Does that make soup? That doesn't make soup. I did this wrong. Oopsie. Why does everybody want soup? What the hell? Stop ordering soup. My garbage is full. It's not full? It's full. This is fine. Onion? Onion? Huh? Is that not what I'm supposed to do? Huh? It's there. Cook again? I cooked it again. Do you want the pot? Huh? The fuck? I can't. I did something wrong. I don't know. Okay, so this is not the run. I'm gonna go in a corner and close my restaurant down.